Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 8450 32nd Ave Southwest, dates September 1st, 2020. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main, some 110 feet or so out underneath the main road out there on 32nd. So what we're going to do from there is pull back. So everything back from here is the responsibility of the homeowner here at 8450. So coming back from that Seattle City main, we're coming back into old 6-inch diameter original concrete sewer line with a seam every 2.5 feet or so. You see those roots coming in through the seam right there. So got some root intrusion further down the stream, down the line. This is probably out under the street. More root action there. And you got a decent sized hole in the bottom of the pipe down there. You see that there, Tom?
Yeah, I do. So you think that's a hole? Okay.
Yeah, there's a missing chunk of pipe down there further out.
How far out?
That's about 25 feet back from the middle of the road, so out, I'm guessing just off of the curb line somewhere. Usually is a pretty good guess mark. Coming into a repair done out probably near the sidewalk here, where they were, whoever did this sewer work a number of years ago put some new PVC pipe out here that they attached to the back end of their pipe burst, which we're going to see very shortly. So a root growing in through that top of that pipe too up there. So as far as 6-inch pipe goes, we have about 30 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. And then as we come back into 4-inch, we start getting that grading issue a little bit as we come back into that 4-inch. What we're going to do, I'm going to pause the video briefly and go locate this spot. See if I can't find an access somewhere out here. Alright, we're going to resume the recording. I found that clean out. Tom was nice enough to show us where that cleanout was out there. So we're going to come back from that point, coming back towards that pipe burst, and we start ducking underwater a little bit here. Come back. We got good grade through this section, so no water in the pipe. If the system is functioning as it should, there should not be water sitting in the pipe. It should be a downhill gravity-fed system, and the pipe is empty as the line flows down. So got a bit of a lump in the pipe burst there, where it looks like a tree root's trying to punch its way through the pipe. And then a big lip where it goes from plastic to HDPE plastic there. So at that point, and then we start coming around the back of the house. The line is pretty flat throughout this whole section here. Alright, I'm going to end the video there, do a little more locating.